Came to Murphy at the end of the carefree season between harvest and planting. In fact, he recovered from his illness only a few days before the week of peace began. And that was also the year Okonkwo broke the peace and was punished, as was the custom by Ezan, the priest of the earth goddess. Okonkwo was provoked to justifiable anger by his youngest wife, who went to plait her hair at a friend's house and did not return early enough to cook the afternoon meal. Okonkwo did not know at first that she was not at home. After waiting in vain for the dish, he went to her hut to see what she was doing. There was nobody in the hut, and the fireplace was cold. "Where is Ojugo?" he asked his second wife, who came out of her hut to draw water from a gigantic pot in the shade of a small tree in the middle of the compound. "She has gone to plait her hair." Why? Okonkwo bit his lips as anger welled up within him. "Where are her children? Did she take them?" he asked with unusual coolness and restraint. If Okonkwo tried, "They are here," answered his first wife, Moye's mother. Okonkwo bent down and looked into her hut. Ojugo's children were eating with the children of his first wife. "Did she ask you to feed them before she went?" "Yes," lied Moye's mother, trying to minimize Ojugo's thoughtlessness. Okonkwo knew she was not speaking the truth. He walked back to his obi to await Ojugo's return. And when she returned, he beat her heavily. In his anger, he had forgotten that it was the week of peace. His first two wives ran out in great alarm, pleading with him that it was the sacred week. But Okonkwo was not the man to stop beating somebody halfway through, even for fear of a goddess. like Obiako. Two men that could not control their anger, and they had to pounce on the woman. See, the Igbo culture is complete. The culture does not ask you not to be yourself, but the culture will help you to be yourself. One I don't know about for real men. I don't know why I'm 18. What's your one home with a week of peace? There was no boy I won't necessarily. The Christmas is who you are. But when did the Macanon did go beyond the Japon? Onye ndidi azụ ukwu adị oche adị akọsi fọkụ n'ebe ukwu nwoke a na-akpọ Obiako kwamgbe ọ na-eti nwunye efe ya na ya na-agba kịrịkịrị katakata. Obiako ọ̀pọ̀ na-eti nne Obiako ife onye ketesie mgbe ya na-akpọ Obiako wee si ya nchebekwa ichere ndị obodo ji bụrụ obodo enyi emu n'aka ọ bụrụ na ekwesịghị iti nne bụ ife na mba abịawu ichere a n'ala ya wee chekwa na ọ ga-eje ka abịa mana kama ọ ya emesisi ikpe dịrị nne na nwunye ọchụnasị ebi achụna ọ na-adị wee osisi a ijere a wee sị ngwanụ ọdọkwa n'ụlọ ife o nwere na ndụ ya wụ ọgba aghara na ọ ka mkpa ka ya wụ ọgba aghara pụta n'obodo maka na a na-esi n'ụlọ n'ebe mma were afọ elu mana ebe ọ bụ na ụlọ adịrọ mma n'onwere ife niile echichi oge ejijidete nwe onwe ya aka ife niile aghasasịrị otu isi elu ijere a pịawa ya n'ala na Obiako wee tie Obiako obi mma Obiako obi mma Obiako obi mma ekele m ijere m ji adị ike ekele m ijere m ji eme